This is the racetrack in Bowling Green, the NCM Motorsports track, right across from the Corvette Museum, and right across from the Corvette plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And for a fee, you can drive your vehicle, your Corvette, out on this track, or they do have some C8s available for you to drive for a fee. If you want to test drive a C8 before you purchase it, this is the place to come and do so. And I do believe they charge $300 just for you to drive their vehicle. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You're looking at on the screen the first C8 2021 model with a wide body kit installed on a base model C8. So this is what a wide body Corvette Z06 either the E-Ray was supposed to look like. Someone installed this on a base model Stingray, and again it's a 2021 model, so you guys check it out. It's similar to the C8.R race car. If you check out the front wheel there, how it's designed, it's kind of designed where it's really close to where you might get some kind of scrubbing action there, cause the tires was upgraded to Pirellis, and I think it went from 305 to 355 on the wheels here. That's a lot of rubber, and it sort of reminds you of a pickup truck. But you guys check this out. What you think about this wide body seat? It also has a massive wing, and it has two prongs in the center of the wing that's mounted to help hold the wing, probably because of the weight of the wing. And this vehicle was sold at Barrett Jackson auction there in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it was sold for $148,500. Unbelievable! All because it has a wide body kit installed on it. Again, look at the massive wheels. The wheels are 355, and I don't know about having the wheels that big, but that actually cuts down on the horsepower of the vehicle. That's a Ferrari Pista that you're looking at there. And as you can see, the wheels has carbon fiber within it. And again, it's not much clearance there between the body of the car and the and the tires itself. Like I said, this is 355 wheel, 355 rubber on Pirelli's tires. That's on this vehicle. It's a pretty vehicle, but you have to kind of wonder what did they alter in doing so. I don't know if I would get this done. Just wait for GM to come out with their version of it. And I think I'm quite sure their version of it is not going to be, it's going to be a little bit more smoother designed than what you see here on the screen. So this is what a wide body will look like, something similar to the C8 C8.R race car. And like I said, this is a base model of 2021 C8 Corvette. And it's red in color, as you can see. And this vehicle was auctioned off at the Barrett Jackson auction there in Scottsdale, Arizona. And like I said earlier, it went for $148,500. And as you can see, you can compare it to the base model. This is John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel.